Today, we're taking a closer look at the MPD Digital MPD-400 PVC Black Super Flex Coax cable, designed to meet the demands of high-performance RF connectivity. This cable boasts the same low-loss characteristics and performance as the renowned Times Microwave LMR400, but with a notable edge in flexibility. Crafted with a PVC jacket and unbonded aluminum tape, the MPD-400 offers exceptional flexibility without compromising on signal integrity. Whether you're setting up radio transmitters or connecting antennas in tight spaces, its flexibility and tight bend radius ensure easy installation and maneuverability. The outer jacket, made of UV-proof, non-contaminating PVC, further enhances its durability and suitability for outdoor use. This coaxial cable is a robust choice for applications requiring improved shielding and minimal signal loss. It's been tested and proven in military, EMS, and harsh environmental conditions worldwide, underscoring its reliability. Backed by a 60-day return policy and a 1-year limited lifetime warranty, the MPD-400 provides peace of mind, ensuring quality and performance from the date of purchase. Manufactured in the USA by MPD Digital, it's assembled to the highest standards, making it a preferred choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're upgrading an existing setup or starting a new project that demands superior RF transmission capabilities, the MPD Digital MPD-400 PVC Black Super Flex Coax cable stands out as a versatile and dependable solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.